Oh no, viewers, that's a glitch on our phone, but you might think it's a real glitch, but it's actually a fact. Viewers, how old do I look? Let's see how old. No, I don't look like 52. What's wrong? Oh, that's my age. I hope it says my real age. I am not 14. I am 8 years old. And I really look you to press this button. But don't do the opposite. You might get bad luck. Make sure subscribe. What? I am in space. Oh. I use such a filter. Look at the Earth. Subscribe, viewers.